civil emergency message for Suffolk County, Middlesex County, and Essex County. This following message is transmitted at the request of the Leanfield Police. 10 minutes ago, several reports have came in of the orange cat roaming Leanfield. This cat resembles Talking Ginger, a popular talking cat. Talking Angela and Talking Tom have not been spotted yet at this time. Talking Ginger has not showed any signs of aggression at this time. But, just in case if he gets aggressive, all citizens in the alerted counties, take shelter. Lock all windows and doors, turn off all electronics, and get to a room with minimal to no windows. Stay tuned for more information if it becomes available.
Box fits a sauce that's pretty neat. BK. Having your
It took you long enough, Talking Ginger. Where the fuck were you? Took you goddamn long enough. We've been stuck in here for a while. Yeah, Ginger, why the fuck did it take you a while? Come on, seriously? Look, I'm sorry, guys. I had trouble finding you, okay? Now can we escape, please? Look, I'm sorry for yelling at you, okay? Let's just... Now that we can escape, we can get revenge on Boston. We can get revenge on Medford. We can get revenge on the United States. What do you say, Tom? You down for taking over the United States and Boston and destroying it all? You down, Tom? Yeah, of course I'm down. Why wouldn't I be down? Let's do this, Angela. Alright, if both of you agree that we'll destroy everything, then let's do it. Let's do it!